Hello friends, welcome to StylEnrich. In today's video, we will show you how to make this beautiful and useful cardboard organizer. Let's start by making the base of this organizer. So, take a piece of cardboard that measures 13 cm by 23 cm. This will serve the base of our craft. Now, take another cardboard and cut 3 pieces out of it. Their measurements will be 6 inches, 2 inches, 5 inches and 3 inches from each side as shown in the video. Take one of these cardboard pieces and draw marking on it using a lipstick as shown. Carefully cut along this marking. This way, we have made a lipstick holder. Let's cover these sides pieces using colored printed paper. Do not forget to cover the bottom edges of these pieces as well. Now, let's move on to making the boxes in this organizer. For this, you can take any empty cardboard carton as shown. Stick the loose sides of this cardboard using white tape. This will make it firm and sturdy. Using knife, cut and open one side of the carton. Similarly, take another large cardboard carton, open from one side as shown. We will be arranging both these carton boxes and cardboard sides on the base. Before that, let's cover the boxes with colored printed paper. Also, cover the base using colored sheet. Once everything is covered with colored papers, it's time to arrange them together. We will take one small cardboard piece and cover it with paper as well. It will be the back side of our organizer. Wow, our beautiful DIY organizer is ready. You can keep your makeup materials, creams and brushes in it. Very useful, isn't it? Hope you loved watching our video craft. If you loved it, then please hit the like button and share this craft with your friends on social media. Also, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!